Guys, it is Taco Tuesday. Tacos de caca. Tacos de caca. Tacos de digo, chicken tacos. I made chicken tacos right now. I didn't. I cheated a little. I bought the chicken. Guys, the chicken went up at Walmart. It used to be, I think, $5.
Because since they're remodeling everything there,
¿qué?
they're probably doing...
Guáchese, en la mañana andaba haciéndome unos exámenes. Espérate, tengo una carne lonja. Okay. Andamos viendo Witness Protection de la Madia. Guys, I'm sorry, I don't mean to be nasty. It's because I'm hot as fuck. That's why I didn't want to wear a wig today, guys. Because
you woke up late for your...
I didn't wake up lately. And then this in the morning, I got the kids just salmon. See, I'm sorry. Just salmon, and Jesse went with me. And I didn't know, I swear to God, but God works in mysterious ways. I don't know how, but I had like $40-something in my wallet, and I didn't even know, te lo juro. Yo no sé dónde salió ese dinero. Mira, hice una Italian salad, una Italian pasta, tomatoes, conchitas, onions, pepino, but I put green beans porque se me antojó. But green beans don't go in there, but I put them because I wanted to. Frijoles con chorizo, and then tacos de caca. Chicken tacos. So yeah, I bought the chicken. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't boil it myself and shit, but I'm gonna have to boil it next time because they were expensive.
It's the same as buying a pack of chicken.
Guys, I don't know if it might be more expensive the whole chicken. So a lo mejor al último vale la pena mejor un tacos de caca. Guys, this is my natural hair, my curly hair. I fucking hate it.
Because you keep cutting it, you.
Yeah, I keep cutting it because curly hair gets a lot of split ends, but I don't like it. I don't like it. I think I look like a Betty Boop on crack, maybe. Engorda. Betty Boop engorda. Hice una pinche salsita el otro día de molcajete, but I blended it because it was too spicy, too chunky. I was like, agarrabas así con tostado y, fire in the culo. No, hombre, no. No, dije yo, no. Y luego dije, cose. I'm finna, so I'm not starving, I'm not lying, I'm not starving, no, but hungry. And then, guys, I didn't have no gas. I went to Walmart. I think it was like 12, and the chicken was gonna be ready till 1:15. I think she said that. It still needed an hour, 15 minutes. I'm sorry, guys, my lipstick's all fucked up. I am sweating. Do I have the air on? And the fan on. And the door a little bit, but. You want to taste the pasta salad, Julia? Pruébala.
I tasted it already.
What did you? Pruébala, mija.
No.
Please.
No
This doesn't have ejote in there.
No.
No saben lo que es bueno.
¿Y tú qué te llamas? Pasta. It's Italian pasta. You don't like Italian pasta, you love it.
I've been craving homemade chicken tacos for the longest that I don't want to attack it, you know? It's weird, but I don't want to like...
Not salads. I like... Well, I do
I
like...
don't want to taste it because I know I'm going to...
I like the salads, but the macaroni salad.
Sorry.
That is, like, that doesn't have, like,
With
mayo.
Las conchitas.
The male one. And I
Well,
don't like big.
Check in the freezer. If we have sausage,
one.
I can make you that with sausage and mayo.
No,
if you
I
want.
want sausage. I want spammy.
Girl, you know how much Spam is? Right, guys? A little can of Spam, almost $4. It is delectable and delicious. Here goes my first bite, guys. And I put some chile. Bueno, pues se acabó. El de atrás paga, mira. Pobrecito. Guys, I don't need tomato, cheese, or cream, or guacamole. I just Así, ni modo. Pobre
Is there
está.
no more chicken from the other time?
Pobre dog está.
From the other one over there?
When you have to make food and you don't have that much groceries and you have to
There
make
more
it
chicken
like
from over there, or did you
like
get
a
it?
wannabe. Mmm. Sorry guys, I'm gonna lick my finger. This is finger licking good. So good. I'm gonna lick my toes too.
I'm gonna lick mine.
Lick your ass, honey. Ay, no, qué rico. No mames, güey. No mames. I'm gonna still put some sriracha. Mira, un poquito más. So we're watching the witness protection. I don't, Monday? I don't own the rights to whatever you hear in the background, the music and.
Oh, you just put it down and I can't hear it.
No, they're gonna go get the money. A ver, quita la cabeza de marrano. Ay, porque no puedo tenerlo bien recibido.
But you just said to them that you don't own rights.
Yeah, I know. Guys, you know what? I was supposed to go live already. I promised you guys that when Jesse hit vacation time, I was gonna. I'm so fucking scared of going live. I think I'm not. I think. Espérame. Cálmela, puto. I think.
Can I go get the other chicken from the tray, or are you gonna make some more tacos? Because she's pinching this one too.
There's no more chicken on there? Or is there a little bit some hidden? Put it on the counter. Just get a little, just go get a little piece because I wanted to make more tacos.
Oh, you made your tacos, you
Okay, fine. Tacos de caca. I made 7 tacos, I think.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna eat tacos.
¿Tú no vas a comer? Bueno, déjame que no me van a agarrar mis tacos. They're just eating it así with tortilla.
I like tortilla. I don't like crunchy.
Mmm.
Well, I don't like crunchy neither. Go. Boy.
Mmm. Le puse frijoles con chorizo, no mames, güey. Mmm. And I'm not gonna lie, I do a lot of shortcuts because, well, I'm not, my husband's not here no more. He passed away 6 years ago. And he liked everything from scratch. I better have him like a pot of recién hecho frijolitos, sopitas aguaditas, papitas con cebolla, tomate, chile, quesito, pero en caldosito. Gorditas de marina, perdón, gorditas de harina, gorditas de maseca, ya sea en el comal o fritas, whatever. But now that he's not here, and it's just me and my babies, they don't mind if I cut corners. Only because they love that chicken so much, the roasted chicken. They're just eating it like that, boom, 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 Like Julia just got, échate frijolito, reina. She got frijolitos, she likes frijolitos a lot, like her daddy. Sam and Jesse are like, I don't know why, but Jesse don't like my beans. But he used to like the beans from school.
I think it's on the
Just
other
put
side.
it there.
No, the whole.
Tell me close. She's saying that that one doesn't have nothing, the chicken carcass. Because remember the other day when I showed you a chicken and I took up the colita like that y se le veía el pinche culote. ¡Ojo de marrano! El ojo sin pestaña. El ojo ciego. Hi there. Hello. Chimadía, cabrona. Oh, so I didn't tell you. So I got myself a green chili little cheeseburger. And I got Jessie and Sam. Julia couldn't go. She's the one that has to go with me because she's my provider and stuff. She was dead asleep. She couldn't even get up. And I take her into consideration. Y aparte porque me ayuda mucho money-wise, so I really appreciate it, Right now, Sam is telling me, because I didn't have no gas in my bombita, and Sam's telling me that they put $81 to fill it. It is $4.79 a gallon, ¿verdad?
I think so, yeah.
No mames, güey.
I just need them.
Yo que tengo unos carros. And the other day, my van got a flat tire. See, and I don't have nobody to help me take it off. I don't have balls no more. I used to change tires like a motherfucker. I can't no more. I don't even think I have a spare. Spare again, Christians. Just the hour and a bit up. I want to.
What is? You're not even playing me.
I'm not thinking it.
Fine, yeah. Get the six out, okay?
Why do you eat tacos and go like that? Why do women put on their makeup like this? Seafood with their mouth open. Same reason. Why? ¿Por qué? I'm not saying Spanish. ¿Por qué la gente cuando se echa crema en la cara cierra los ojos? Es a riddle. ¿Por qué la gente se echa crema así? Con los ojos cerrados. ¿Ya saben o no saben? No saben, ¿verdad? No se saben las oldies de antes. Porque en el frasco dice Nivea. Get it? Don't see. Don't look. Don't see.
No veo, gracias.
No veo, gracias. Esta pendeja de la Samantha. ¿Estaba chiquilla? Cuando íbamos a Juárez. ¿Por qué chocolate ya? Lady Marmalade. You know how there's people there at the bridge that don't have legs and they're asking for money or stuff like that. They're malitos. And some are fake, eh? Some of them are just drug addicts and they're trying to get money to get their fix, you know? So, there was this one man holding his can of money. So you could, you know, donate some money for him, little change or whatever. And he was an older man. And he was like this. And he had the sign on. And it said, no veil. Was he wearing the glasses, the dark glasses?
I think so. I don't know.
I don't remember. He might have been wearing the dark sunglasses. Y'all know Samantha's crazy. So yeah, the man is standing there asking for money with el letrero, el botecito. No veo, gracias. O sea,
No veo, gracias por tu donación.
ajá. O sea que dice, no veo, y luego te pone gracias por si le regalas una monedita o un billete, whatever, money. The stupid Samantha was laughing like a motherfucker. And he said, Mom, if the man's blind, why is he saying gracias? No veo, gracias. Pendejo. Híjole, cómo nos hizo reír, machín. No les puedo decir otra story, pero it ended with my husband saying, ahí está tu pedo, ahí está tu radio. Ahí está tu radio. Era un pinche pedo. Bitch. Oh my God. Guys, when it comes to tacos or tostadas, you know, like this, tostadas. Only because I'm eating the sopita pasta and the beans. and stuff, and because I'm talking, I get fuller faster. But I kid you not, man, I can eat me 7 tacos probably. 6, 7 tacos, 6, 7 tostadas, así con beans o pollito, lo que tú quieras, arriba, lechuga, tomate, shredded cheese. And I already found me 2 ladies at church that could. No. Guys, I thought that was a fucking bean.
A bean?
A bean.
Oh, a bean?
Oh no, it's not a nail that fell off. This is an old nail. I saw a nail there and I thought it was my nail fall. This one fell off, but it's right here somewhere.
Tell them about the roach.
Do I? Should I? Well, it's a funny fucking story. It's true, guys. You know I don't lie to you. Would I lie to you, baby? Would I lie to you? So, Julia dijo Irma que qué bonita me pusiste las nails. Irma, la prima de Alfredo. Oh. She said that they were awesome. And I said, girl, when she does the acrylic, yeah, she doesn't smooth. My foot fucking hurts. Guys, I'm so happy because on my coco, on my cut, it became really big. Okay? It's a big fucking hole. It looks scary, gross, and it hurts like a bitch. But it was getting smaller and smaller and smaller. Okay, and filling up in depth, in depth-wise, right? En lo hondo. También ya se estaba llenando. Ya va chiquita. Pues el otro día la niña me limpió. And there was a little bit of white, like kind of white yellowy film. It's kind of fatty tissue. And I swear it was like this. And 2 little holes. It looked like a little alien. Lo back así, güey. It looked like a little fucking alien in my coco. And then yesterday when she did it, it got smaller, that film. But it looked like Tweety Bird. Oh my God. Girl, what the fuck is going on? Only I would get a fucking Tweety Bird and a fucking alien up in that bitch. Okay. Wow. There's this nurse that is there trying to move her product. She barely brought it to them. Only a few people have gotten it. It's what you call a skin graft. ¿Cómo te digo que se llama en español? Injerto. Injerto de piel. Ok. Es como un cuadrito así. Como con net. Es el cuadrito, ¿no? They use it when you have a wound, and they put it on, and it grabs to your carnita, and it starts healing faster, right? They've been trying to get my wound to heal, and yes, it was getting smaller and smaller and smaller, little by little. Thank you, Jesus. But Jesus walks. Oh, happy day. I mean, mira la maldita con la chichota. Irma, is that you? Chichotía cabrona. Ay, no. Entonces, bendito Dios, guys. So then it became a little Tweety Bird. And they took off the Tweety Bird, scraped on it.
And deactivated it.
Ya van como 3 veces. Fíjate que funny, pero es que estoy... ¿Qué, güey? ¿Qué, güey? Oh. Beba con control. Dale poquito, güey. And hold on, 20 minutes, okay.
I know how Margarita was asking for chile for the watermelon. She would have liked this.
When she comes back, well,
Chamoy, güey.
Bueno,
Bueno.
sabe chingón. Enseñan estas madres.
You know,
Mira lo que compró mi gordis.
I think it was for
Patuchela,
the
chamoy, patuchela.
beer.
Patuchela.
And
Es
then
que metes así tu
Brand
vaso.
new movie.
Mami dipping it with fruit. Está más
Sí,
lindo.
el Sunday teníamos sandía, guys. Y mi pastora se metió a la hilera y ganó la Valentina. Yo llevo una Valentinota porque a mis hijos sí les gusta la Valentina. Bueno, a Julia ya sabemos un poquito. Y a uno que otro, pero casi nadie pide. Sometimes I'll make chicharrones for them, the little ones that they're square and then bzzz, they become big. I make them for them once in a while. And then I was gonna tell you. It's Jack, girl.
Yeah, but Joel's not gonna want to watch it.
What?
Girl.
Watch what?
Jack Tripper.
I know.
Mm.
Ya me harto todos tus shows.
Ya acabaste de comer, ¿verdad? Ya te vas a ir para arriba a dormir, ¿no? O todavía no. Ahorita que se vaya la pones y la vemos yo y tú. Three's Company, guys. An old show.
So you can put on.
You let him-
Sorry.
I just took it off and you let him want to put it on.
Hi, who are you?
Why stupid? Who's that?
It's a pug? No, it's a poodle. Nice thing.
Who is it?
It was a poodle.
Who?
It was a poodle. Homa! Mila.
Oh, yeah, there's a new little white poodle. I thought it was Jackie, huh?
I don't.
And then
Because remember that the grandma still lives there, dude. Unless they took the grandma with them. My foot hurts, guys.
No. Should I let her out? No, yes.
Yes. Pues, if it's a boy, he's going to try to...
Mila. No.
Ah, bueno.
Have poodle have color? No.
Mmm. Like my friend Rachel. Shout out, Rachel.
Rachel Flat. Isn't that cool? 114.
Shout out Elizabeth y Alessandra.
They disappeared. I don't know where they
Oh, mi piecito. Ay, sí. Es que tengo que subir el pie.
Sunday watermelon.
Es que había sandía ahí. Con su chelada. Con su chamoy. Mmm.
But it's the same thing, right, as the fruit dip. But it's not like very different.
For the people that like fruit with chile, you know. Like I said, my pastora. Yo con esa sandía. El fruto y el I vine con la Valentina. ¿Quién quiere? ¿Quién quiere? Dije yo, no, esta no es así, no lo va a querer. Pastora, ¿a poco eres de esas? Dice, me fascina. Me morí, se me hacía agua la canoa. Y la boca también. My fucking foot, guys. I need to rest already and put my foot up.
$114 for this.
You said. I bet it wasn't.
It was $114.
Who said?
I saw the price on it.
I don't believe it. No.
It was from the.
You guys believe that this big tea was $1.14? Maqueta me quiere madrear el culo. Esta verdad, mira, está chida. Échale agua.
Stop it!
Toma.
No, poor Jesse. He
No,
just
mami,
ate a
puse
little bit
tres.
of chicken because I kept telling him we need to save some for tomorrow. I don't know if
And now
would
you
want
ate
some.
it all and didn't save them any, huh?
No, there's some on this one. Fuck.
Háblale, pobrecito.
Jesse, you want some more
You
chicken?
want more chicken, Daddy?
Did you? Jesse. Jesse.
Let's eat.
You want some more chicken? And here's the leftover of the tea. Porque ya no hay. That's just a little bit
No
in
tortilla.
cup. And that's just one and a half tortas.
Ya, ¿te vas a levantar para que coma el allí?
Yes, let me
Okay.
see. Let me get out.
Es que no se quedó con hambre, mijo.
Cold.
And he lost 2 pounds. ¿Verdad, papi? Ahorita va a comer este
Because he's using
pollito
that
rostizado.
machine.
Yeah, he gets on the machine.
I started get on it again barely right now.
Dude, get on it every day.
Okay, I'll start.
It's an eléctrico. And then you feel like a bicycle, something like that. But
Or, where's the remote so I can pass you it? Jessica, can you pass me the remote?
are you serious? You're leaving?
Or, no, I'll stay here for a little bit, but I'll give you the remote. Right there.
Mommy, bring me 2 tacos, yeah?
Oh, it's here.
They're in the little basket.
Ow!
I'm finna eat this because I've been craving this for a long time.
I'm not going up there yet. Can you call me? I don't know.
You call me?
Why?
Call
You see
her.
my phone number?
Ahorita. I have another one here. Mm-hmm.
You threw it on the stairs.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just joking.
Choked it.
Hurry, call 1-800, choke that hoe.
But
You don't know?
turn of events.
Woo! About
But
that.
I was sure.
How's
Yeah,
that,
wait.
eh?
Oh, she probably did not have a shirt. I didn't even see.
Her sports bra.
¿Qué va? Duérmete un rato, dale. Oh, happy day.
Oh, happy alley. People on the nose alley.
Pee poop on the fucking nose.
Oh.
Remember from, what is it, Scary Movie?
Every time you say a bad word, you have to be people on the nose.
Is it from Scary Movie? Where is it from, Sam? Scary Movie? People on the nose?
Yeah.
No, I made it myself.
Study. Remember, the dude fell out the window and he was telling him to
People.
give me your hand. Le quería dar la little hand. El que dice,
Give me your cola.
no, he didn't say give me your cola. He said, my germs. And then he was talking about how when he made the turkey that he wasn't afraid and he didn't want to baste it, so he just y luego he said, I don't know what that is, but I like it anyways.
I can find it in Netflix.
You're gonna make me joke.
Choke that home.
I'm
Stupid.
just
Pero
gonna stay here to eat some more chicken and watch the movie with you guys.
Search it up. Search it up.
the Scary Movie, right? What's the first one, no?
Scary Movie 2, I think.
Turn that light off.
Yeah, it's 2. Require Star, Spectrum, and Rent from $2.99 Prime.
If you want to buy it.
No sé, dile a Julia si tomamos the money.
No, I'm asking. Oh, you can search it like that, dude? How did you do that?
How much
Yeah.
one's free?
You go to search.
You go to search
Then you
on Roku, or where are you?
no. On the settings,
Mm-hmm.
you scroll down to search,
Mm.
and then you go to the movie you want.
This is also the one that says this.
Move your pillow. Move your pillow.
Watch out for
Stop
Fanny.
it. Nobody's
Watch
saying
out for
that.
Fanny.
Fanny,
Fanny coming through.
we don't like your Fanny up in there. Alright, so,
They love my Fanny. Huh, guys?
and girl.
No Pippins here. Hey. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that.
Oh, I thought they
No,
didn't
these
have
are
it.
mine, sweetie.
Hey, well, you
I thought they were just the
have
door
lots
thoughts.
of subscribers. Girls probably subscribe to you too, not just guys.
Yeah, but they better not like me like that. You know what I mean?
From video.
Yeah.
Oh, when you're like doing that, they're gonna probably like.
You girls are gonna like my butt. Tacos de caca. Tacos de caca.
So quiet or no?
Huh?
Or we could go to the
Free.
clip on YouTube and
No.
then just search beep boop on the nose clip.
Mm.
No, I was never there. I
No,
made it
I
myself.
don't have money.
People on the nose.
Well, then I can go on YouTube and find the.
No, I just want to watch
Part-
the movie.
There's no movie of scary movie on. We have to pay.
Nobody's doing it.
Jeez, you little.
Mm.
I mean, we won't watch it today. We'll watch it on Friday because.
Nomás explícale, mija, no le no.
On Friday, there's no Friday. That's only up to Joanne. She's gonna
Want to watch it?
buy us some snacks and groceries
Hmm.
and help to heal.
Like right now, guys, Samantha was really gonna go upstairs. So she's gonna stay and watch a movie maybe with me. The other day I lay down on the sofa because I wanted to watch a movie. I'm gonna watch them by myself. Julia used to watch them with me. But now there it is. Put it.
But that's not beep boop. I want to see the beep boop one though.
Mm.